Hey, what up YouTube? This video was taken on this Tuesday afternoon, December 14th, 2021. Time right now is 1:12 p.m. And I had a change of plans. I was going to fly someplace else, but as I was driving there, it started looking very overcasty, even though the overcast has gone away. And I started thinking about it might not be a good idea to fly there because I think they were open. So anyway, I had a change of plans and I decided to fly here at Mango Park, I believe. And the reason I decided to pick this place was because this is quote unquote the official drone park of Hillsborough County. Now it's funny how they marketed that, the official drone park of Hillsborough County, but when I came here there's nothing here letting you know that. Oh, I'll play with that later. I don't want to ruin it for first park. There's nothing here signifying that. It's just something they said. So the execution of this being the official drone park of Hillsborough County is the fact that they don't have any signs telling you can't fly a drone. Every single park in Hillsborough County, they added no drone signs, which is kind of funny because since FAA regulates the airspace, they can't say you can't fly a drone. So the signs say that there's some kind of ordinance that prohibits you from launching a drone or operating a drone while on park property. Nice little gazebo. Oh, I've been trying to do this backwards flying thing, but oh. So should I try to get my nice clean power loop in with this tire? I'll go this way because if I hit it, then it probably won't fall down. Ooh, not happy.
Oh, it's making a power sound now, like sticking a...
Let's see, what did I do? Is this propeller? But it's chewing out the side of the GoPro. That's okay, that GoPro has a warranty on it. Okay, we should be good to go.
What'd you do?
I just bent the propeller back.
Really? It's not that sensitive?
It's not going to fly like it did. You hear it?
Yeah.
But it's still flyable.
Now, do you voice over these videos later?
No. So you're being recorded right now. Everyone say hello to my visual observer, ex-skydiving buddy, the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Tom. He is famous for skydiving while having a heart attack. That would make a good YouTube story. You should post that story.
I'll give that some thought.
Okay, let's see if I can do a nice clean power loop through here. Nope, didn't go back far enough. I don't know why I've been struggling with power loops like that. It's like I just don't have the muscle memory down for it.
Low battery, 22 volts. Low battery.
You see, I hesitated there, but I guess it was a successful power loop. Let's do some. These are cool trees. That'll be a cool tree to Matty flip. Should I do it? I don't have any way to retrieve it if I get stuck.
21.9 volts. Low battery, 22 volts.
Oh, can I save it? Nope, I couldn't save it. No, Something must be caught in it. 1-800-WALK. But
You see the eagles?
oh yeah,
I was getting ready. You started recording, so I said, "I will say anything."
are they eagles or osprey? Because we are in Hillsborough County.
Yeah.
Well, they have a fish, so I guess they are eagles.
Well, I think fish. Cheryl used to work at the port. You know, she was a HR director for a tugboat company,
Mm-hmm.
and you knew not to park your car in a certain spot because they would catch a fish and be up on this radio tower eating, and your house car would be covered in fish guts. And of course, the sun would bake that fish guts on. You still have your Mustang?
Yep. So I have the
Pickup
Mustang.
truck?
Yep. I have
And the
3
motorcycle?
vehicles. And the motorcycle, yep.
And the jet ski?
And the jet ski, but man, the jet ski hasn't ran in a year. Over a year.
That's probably not good for it.
Yeah, probably not. Oh, the dreaded Spanish moss. I would have never. The dreaded Spanish moss.
You know, we have been on a zillion of these ghost tours and things, different places.
Mm-hmm.
And it's so funny, it's almost a joke. One must ride with another, and then, you know, I'll use that line, and they go, you know, you see the tree covered in Spanish moss. Funny thing, it's neither Spanish nor moss, you know, and they all say that exact same line.
Okay. Should I try to do redemption? Should I try maybe? Wait, just watch, make sure no one nabs my other drone there. But I'll stand off the side here. I got to try to do redemption. I have yet to do a Matty flip during Paxember.
Have you ever gone to a race?
No.
You're ready for that, man.
Oh no, the racing guys are insane.
You got all the skill you need.
Okay, here we go. Let's see if I can do a Matty flip.
9 volt. Low battery. Low battery.
I did it. First Matty flip of Paxember. But like I said, I don't know how to, once I do a Matty flip, I don't know how to actually like be artistic afterwards. And then since I'm going to cook this battery.
21 volts.
Okay, so that's Paxember day 14 in the books. We're almost getting past the halfway point. I've cooked so many batteries during Paxember. I usually don't do that. They're my regular flying. I usually don't let them get down that low. But yeah, I thought it would be interesting because
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
this is the official drone park of Hillsborough County. Isn't it lovely? I mean, it's not that bad if it gets really hardcore that they really start enforcing not flying drones at other parks. I mean, I guess this isn't that bad of a park. There is stuff to play with, but you know, I thought we were in America. Where's our freedoms?
Still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. We're our freedom. It's here.
It's here. It's here in Mango Park. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.